Chapter 21, Perimeter and Area. Examples. Now, example 1. Now, I am going to show the example. So, first example is the length of a string equal to 36 centimeter, and we have to make a square with this. With this string we have to make a square. So I am here to find out the side of a square. You all know that all the sides are equal in the square. So here perimeter of a square should be equal to 36 centimeter, and therefore 4 multiplied by side equal to 36 centimeter. So we have to divide to find out the side, we have to divide the perimeter by 4. So that will give you 9 centimeters. So side of a square equal to, whose perimeter is 9 centimeters. 36 will be 9 centimeters. So this is the first example. The second example is, here the perimeter of an equilateral triangle we have to find out with its given side. So the second example is about the perimeter of equilateral triangle. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Now what is an equilateral triangle? You all know. Its sides are equal. All the sides of equilateral triangle are equal and all its angles are 60 degrees. So this is a ABC, suppose. It is an equilateral triangle. So we are given the side of that triangle. Side of triangle ABC equal to 5 centimeters. So all the sides are equal. All its sides are equal. And therefore when you want to find out its perimeter equal to of triangle ABC equal to 5 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 15 centimeters. So this is the answer of the second example. Now the third example. Have you understood, children? The second example, third example. Now we are given the perimeter of a rectangle. It's not perimeter of a rectangle, the length and the breadth of it, a rectangle is given. So length of a rectangle equal to 13 centimeters, and its breadth is given 7 centimeters. Now we have to find out its perimeter. And then it is given that so the perimeter of rectangle with the given length and breadth 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. That is equal to 2 multiplied by 13 plus 7. And that is equal to 2 multiplied by 20, which is equal to 40 centimeters. Now it is said that the perimeter of this rectangle is equal to the perimeter of a square. Now perimeter of a square of the same perimeter, they have same perimeter, and equal to perimeter of rectangle. So here perimeter of square means 4 multiplied by its side, which is equal to 40 centimeters. And therefore side will be equal to 40 divided by 4, that is equal to 10 centimeters. So this is the answer. The side of a square with its perimeter which is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle of given length and breadth will be equal to the perimeter of a square which is given. So we can find out the perimeter side of a square by this formula. Okay? Now the fourth example. Now they are saying that the different shapes have the same perimeter. For example, different shapes have the same perimeter. Now different shapes means which shapes are given? First they have given a rectangle with its side 10 centimeter and length 10 centimeter and depth 5 centimeter. And another figure is given which is a pentagon with its 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Now they both have the same perimeter. So how it is possible? So perimeter of the given rectangle, above rectangle, equal to 2 multiplied by its length plus breadth. That is 2 multiplied by 10 plus 5. And that is nothing but 15 multiplied by 2, that is 30 centimeter. Whereas the perimeter of this shape, the above shape, that is pentagon, is sum of all its sides, 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus 10. So 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30. So this is how we find out the perimeter of a rectangle and the perimeter of different shapes with the same perimeter. Now the example 5. Example 5 is, see what it is. Example 5. example 5 is about it is about the length and the breadth of given rectangle that we have seen. The perimeter of triangular field is given. The perimeter of a triangular field equal to 250 centimeters. Triangle has three sides. Yes. Its perimeter is given. First side, second side, and the third side. We are given its perimeter. So sum of all the sides is given. Perimeter is given. And the first side's length is given 60 centimeter. Second side is twice the length of the first side. Okay? So second side is twice the length of the first side, that is 120 centimeter. We have to find the third side. So first side is 60 centimeter. Second side is 2 into 60 centimeter. And the third side we have to find out. So here what we have to do? Perimeter equal to 250. So we have to subtract to find out the third side plus 60 plus 120 equal to 250. And therefore third side is equal to 250 minus 180, which is equal to 70 centimeters. So the third side we have to find out as 70 centimeters. So this is what? This is about the 5 examples of chapter 21, perimeter and area. So please like, subscribe. I want more and more subscribers. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So thank you, children. If you like my channel, please go through. This is session 3 of chapter 21, perimeter and area, from Viva exercise, Viva Education Publication Textbook. And I'll be doing in the next session, I'll be giving you the solution of exercise 21.1. So thank you, children. God bless you.